Welcome to CarCrest, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, detailed analysis, and expert insights on the most advanced machines, defense systems, and technological innovations shaping the modern world. In this video we take a close look at the NAG Missile 2000 km 2026, an upgraded long-range precision strike system that has evolved far beyond its original anti-tank role to become a multi-mission asset capable of hitting targets deep inside enemy territory. The 2026 NAG missile variant is a remarkable leap in design and performance. With a range extended to 2,000 kilometers, it delivers the ability to strike strategic assets without crossing into heavily defended zones. This is made possible through a dual-stage propulsion system combining a solid fuel booster for rapid acceleration and a sustained propulsion stage, allowing the missile to maintain high supersonic speeds over long distances. This ensures not only fast travel time but also reduces the window of opportunity for enemy defenses to respond. Guidance technology is one of the strongest aspects of this missile. The system integrates inertial navigation, satellite positioning, and an advanced terminal seeker which may be infrared imaging, active radar, or dual mode depending on the mission profile. This enables the missile to accurately lock onto both stationary and moving targets, even in adverse weather or in the presence of electronic countermeasures. The seeker's resolution and target discrimination capabilities significantly enhance its precision strike potential. The missile's airframe has been redesigned with advanced composite materials to improve strength while reducing weight. These materials also help manage heat stress during high-speed flight. The aerodynamic shaping follows stealth design principles, lowering its radar cross-section and making it more difficult to detect and track. These stealth features, combined with high speed, make interception extremely challenging. A major highlight of the NAG 2000 km 2026 is its modular warhead system. Depending on mission requirements, it can be equipped with high explosive, fragmentation, or penetrator warheads. This flexibility allows it to be effective against a wide range of targets, from fortified bunkers to moving naval vessels. Launch versatility is another key advantage. The missile can be deployed from ground-based transporter erector launchers, air-launched from fighter aircraft, or adapted for naval launch systems. This multi-platform compatibility allows for rapid and unpredictable deployment strategies, complicating enemy planning and enhancing operational flexibility. With an estimated length of around 6 to 7 meters, a launch weight in the range of 1,200 to 1,500 kilograms, and a warhead weight of up to 400 kilograms, the 2026 NAG missile is a well-balanced weapon system. Its advanced guidance, long range, and multi-role adaptability position it as a key element in modern strategic planning. This was our detailed look at the NAG Missile 2000 km 2026, covering its design improvements, technical specifications, and operational roles. For more defense technology reviews and expert breakdowns, make sure to subscribe to CarCrest so you never miss an update.